Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the case and power source. Plug a known good USB-C cable into a 5V/1A or higher adapter and connect the case. Once done, press the button on the case to wake its LED. The LED confirms the case has power. Next, place both Dime earbuds securely into their slots and close the lid for about 5–10 seconds to ensure the connectors seat. This step prevents false readings and guarantees charging can actually begin. Make sure contacts are clean and dry. You now watch the LED behavior to know what's happening. The earbuds show red while charging and switch to white when they reach full internal charge, so observe both sides. Meanwhile, the case LED indicates overall case battery level and whether the case itself is charging. A steady LED usually means full or near full. If an earbud LED never changes, reseat the bud and check contacts. Allow roughly 1 to 2 hours for earbuds to go from near empty to full, depending on starting level. You complete the process by removing an earbud. If the earbud shows white or no charging blink after a brief lid open, it is fully charged. Once removed, start a short playback test to verify battery behavior under load. If runtime matches expectations, you're done. If an earbud still indicates charging or won't hold charge, clean the metal contacts, try a different USB-C cable and adapter, and reset the buds per Skullcandy instructions. That troubleshooting step solves most charging anomalies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.